multiple accounts and point of view. Listen, not everyone's going to have the same point of view on every topic. There are going to be times when there is debate, when there is uncertainty about what is the best thing. And you need to see that when you're reading and realize if you're only reading about one point of view, perhaps you want to read about the other side of the issue to have a more full understanding. So our secure skills are to describe the point of view of each account, to compare and contrast the points of view, and then we're beginning to determine how the author distinguishes his or her position from that of others, and analyze how the author responds to counterclaims. And what is a counterclaim? A claim that is made that shows the other side of the argument. So it's when you're acknowledging that not everyone thinks the way that you think, and saying, while some may believe whatever it is, and then present a new set of facts. So here is the debate. Should the school switch to using solar energy? Board member 1. The school should install solar panels to create the energy that the school needs. Solar energy is a renewable energy source. We can never run out of it. The sun will be with us for another 6.5 billion years, according to NASA. Solar energy is abundant. There is 20,000 times the amount of sunlight that we could use for the entire world. Solar energy is environmentally friendly. Solar panels creating energy do not usually cause pollution. However, the making of panels themselves does create a small amount of pollution. It is a fraction compared to the traditional energy sources. Switching to solar will save the school money. If the school generates enough energy, the extra energy can even be sold to other consumers. So if we were to summarize the first point of view, to say, well, what is this opinion or claim? Hold on. There we go. Their opinion is the schools should switch to solar energy to help the environment and to save money. Now, board member number 2. The school should not install solar panels to create the energy that the school needs. Solar energy is expensive. It will cost us too much to install all of the panels and replace our equipment. Solar energy is not dependable because it is an intermittent energy source. What do we do if there's a week of cloudy, rainy days? We would need to have a second way to provide energy for the schools. 2 systems are more expensive than 1. There is still pollution with solar energy. The manufacturing plants release nitrogen trifluoride, which is a fancy name for damaging gas. No form of energy is pollution-free. So to summarize the second point of view, we would say the school should not spend the money on solar panels because they don't really work to save energy. Now, multiple accounts. We're looking at what do they have in common and what do they have that's different. Well, both of these board members, the information that they're providing is that they want to do what's right for energy for the school. But board member number 1 feels that solar panels are good for the environment, where board member number 2 doesn't believe that solar panels are really any better for the environment. Board member number 1 thinks that the school can sell the extra energy, so this is about money. So the first 2 were about the environment and how they were different. Now we're talking money. But board member number 2 doesn't think that solar panels are dependable, so then more money would need to be spent on other things. So when we're looking at multiple accounts, we need to be able to say what each side is thinking. So that's the point of view. And then compare and contrast how they're similar and how they are different.